This is Pioneer's MVH-S322BT. This is an in-dash, 1-DIN AM/FM digital media receiver with built-in Bluetooth for both hands-free calling and wireless streaming audio. The MVH-S322BT is compatible with Pioneer's Smart Sync app. The Smart Sync app intelligently brings maps, messages, and music together in your vehicle. When using the Pioneer Smart Sync app, the MVH-S322BT features a 31-band EQ. The MVH-S322BT is designed to work with your Android phone and your iPhone. It's compatible with both Pandora and Spotify operating through your phone. It can play back MP3 and FLAC music files from a USB flash drive. Let's take a look and see what's in the box. Okay. So the first thing we have here is the wire harness, and we'll use the wire harness to make all of the electrical connections from the in-dash receiver over to the vehicle. Those connections include power, or ground, and speaker connections, anything that's electrical. Next up, we have some 1-DIN radio removal tools, some install brackets and screws in this bag. There we go. And then we have the Bluetooth microphone. So the Bluetooth microphone here is for making hands-free Bluetooth phone calls, and it comes on a wire about 10 feet long or so for a very flexible installation. Let's open up the flap here, and we can pull up the quick start guide. There's the quick start guide, and please remember that you can download a complete copy of the owner's manual in PDF form right onto your phone from pioneerelectronics.com. And finally, we have the warranty card. There's the warranty card. And let's pull the receiver up out of here. There we are. As you can see, the MVH-S322BT is about half the depth of a conventional in-dash CD receiver. A shallow chassis like this can open a lot of interesting installation options. The front panel of the MVH-S322BT has a large rotary volume knob here. Use this button to activate Pioneer's dynamic bass enhancer system. When using the Pioneer Smart Sync app, the navigation button here will activate your favorite compatible nav app on your phone for turn-by-turn instructions. Use this button to make and receive hands-free Bluetooth phone calls. Radio station presets are here across the bottom. The auxiliary port is here. The USB port here can be used to charge your phone and to play back MP3 or FLAC music files from a USB flash drive. Please note, the MVH-S322BT does not play CDs. And of course, detachable face security. On the back panel of the MVH-S322BT, the AM/FM antenna from the vehicle will plug in right here. The wire harness connected to the vehicle will plug in right here. The Pioneer MVH-S322BT has a built-in amplifier that is designed to operate with up to 4 speakers in your vehicle. The black jack on top here is to plug in the Bluetooth microphone included with the in-dash receiver. The one on the bottom is used for operating your steering wheel controls through a third-party adapter. And here are 2 sets of 4-volt RCA outputs for operating external amplifiers. They can be set up as front and rear outputs, or front and subwoofer outputs. And that is Pioneer's MVH-S322BT. And what's in the box?